Asking
baby
my
looking
wife to pray for
sharp
me
for
and my
church
ex
this
to get
morning,
back
huh?
together to get her reaction.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I can't believe that my wife looking good for church. Huh, babe? Okay, babe, so real quick. You know how you always go to church and you pray for me and stuff? Let's go over here real quick. I want you to do one thing for me today.
What?
I want you to pray for me today, okay?
Okay.
But this time I want you to pray for me and my ex to get back together. I'm dead ass.
Boy, stop playing with the Lord's time like that.
That's not playing with the Lord's time.
Yes, it is.
I'm telling you something
You playing with the Lord's time.
that's not the Lord's time. I'm telling you something that you're gonna do.
Well, go get her.
Huh?
Go get her.
Don't worry about that.
Go get her
Just
back.
look. No, I want you to pray for me. Put it in the
No.
red for me.
No.
Why?
Go get her back. If you want her that bad, go get her.
But yeah, I'm gonna get it, but I want you to pray for me too. Pray
Okay.
for us.
I'm going to pray that the Lord keep me